We are working on volume. You need your notebook for this, not your textbook. We're going to be working on just practicing some different shapes, finding the volume. So make sure you have your notebook. On the top of the page, write volume. First word I want you to write down is rectangular prism. The formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism, V equals length times width times height. I think I said width. You will also see it written as base times height. Okay, it's the exact same formula, because if I multiply length and width, it gives me my base. Let's practice. Draw a rectangular prism in your notebook. Draw a rectangle. I'll do a different color. Draw another rectangle, part in, part out. Connect your corners. There's your rectangular prism. Label, let's make it 10 high, 4 wide, and let's go 20 long. You are writing all of this. Height is 10. Width, I said it again, width is 4, and your length is 20. Remember your formula, length times width times height. All you got to do, 10 times 4 times 20, 40 times 20, 800 would be the volume. That's how many little cubes it would take to build that shape. I did not give you a unit of measure, so you would label it with units cube. We write units cube, we say cubic units. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you. Draw another shape. Okay, so we're drawing a rectangular prism, rectangle and rectangle. I'm using different colors just so you can see what I'm doing. That one didn't come out as well. Okay, 5 by 2 by 6. Volume equals length times width times height. Volume is base times height. If you look at the base, I'll outline it in red. There's your base. My base is 6 by 2. So if I plug it into this formula, it's 12 times 5, which would be 60. You get the same answer if you use all three numbers for length times width times height. 5 times 2 times 6, 10 times 6 equals 60. Cubic units. Cubic units. That's all volume is. It's how many cubes it takes to build a rectangular prism. Your problems are going to look like this. So on number 1, it's a 9 by 4 by 3. All you would do would be 9 times 4 times 3. On number 2, 2 by 7 by 5. Take your time. You're going to say, this is so easy. Easy to make a mistake. So it would be 14 times 5, which would be 70. That's all volume is with the rectangular prisms. You'll need a worksheet. They're over by the packets. Make sure you get the worksheet that has volume on both sides.